Hello everyone, this video from Destiny of Biological Sciences for KVS PGT exam for Biological Sciences. Now today we will discuss the previous year question of KVS paper. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and you will get benefit from this channel. Now first question number 1. This is a question paper of 2018 question paper. So now first question, if you see the first question, so first question is the middle piece of human sperm, middle piece of the sperm in human reproduction helps option A to harbor the haploid nucleus, to envelop the whole body of the sperm, to produce energy for the sperm motility, to provide nutrition to the sperms. Actually it's provide to the energy to the sperm. Actually it's provide to produce energy for sperm motility. This will be the correct answer, because in human sperm actually the different regions are there: head region, neck region, and middle piece. The middle piece actually contain lots of mitochondria. This lots of mitochondria actually provide energy for swimming. So as it is contained mitochondria, lots of mitochondria, that's the answer will be option C is the correct answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2, if we see that question number 2, temperate region account for the greater biological diversity as compared to tropic. Temperate regions account for greater biological diversity as compared to tropics. Reason is given: tropical environment, unlike temperate ones, are less seasonal and relatively more constant. Planet of Earth actually divided into 3 regions. Planet of Earth, আমরা যদি দেখি, planet of Earth we can divide tropical region, tropical regions, tropical. Planet of Earth can be divided into tropical, region, planet of Earth can be divided into tropical, temperate, and polar zone. Tropical, temperate, and polar zone. Now here the answer will be you can see that the first option is the temperate region for greater biological diversity as compared to tropic. No, because tropics have the more biological diversity. In tropical region more rainfalls and more temperature is there, that's why the biological diversity is more in the tropical region. And like tropical rainforest is the most biologically diverse area. So temperate regions have less biological diversity than tropics. So assertion is false. Now reason is that tropical environment, unlike temperate one, are less seasonal and relatively more constant. This one reason is true, so answer will be option D, that is assertion is false and reason is true. Now we'll come into the question number 3. Which of the following option correctly explain the sequence in PCR method? We know that PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction, where actually we amplify the DNA, right? So first step is the denaturation, then primer annealing, and then DNA synthesis. Denaturation occurs in 90 to 95 degrees Celsius temperature. Denaturation 90 to 95 degrees Celsius, and primer annealing, and then DNA synthesis. So answer will be option C, denaturation, primer annealing, and DNA synthesis. Now coming to question number 4. A chemical mutagen alters the pairing property of adenine base in such a way that it pairs with cytosine base during the process of replication. What would be the code sequence of mRNA by a DNA sequence with altered base for original DNA having GCAGCGGAC. Now here question is saying the mutagens alter pairing adenine in such a way that it pairs with cytosine, means A pairs with cytosine. A pair with cytosine. Now, what's the possibilities? A pair with cytosine. Now C can pair with C, it will be C pair with G. Now U, A pair with A, it's given A pair with C. It's a mutagen that cause A pair with C. So A pair with C, GC, then it will be C, GC, GC, A will be C and CG. So it will be, answer will be option C, where A pairs with C, A will be pairing partner with C, and here A will pair with C. So this is the major difference. All rest of them, the ATGC pairing. We know that generally A pair with T, A double bond T is there, A double bond T, and G triple bond C is there. A double bond T and G triple bond C is there. So here there is a mutagens and altering mutagens where A can pair with C. A can pair with C. So that's why answer will be option C. Now coming to question number 5. In the context of photosynthesis, which one of the following statement is true? Photosynthesis. Now first, photoionization takes place only pH1. Cyclic photophosphorylation involves both pH1 and pH2. Photolysis of water takes place during pH1. pH2 proceed pH1. Now this question, which of the following statement is true? Photoionization takes place only in pH1. No, this photoionization pH2 is involved, right? Now next is cyclic photophosphorylation involve both pH1 and pH2. Cyclic photophosphorylation involve both pH1 and pH2. No. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both pH1 and pH2 are involved. Now photolysis of water takes place during pH1. So this is wrong, this also wrong, this also. So answer will be option D, that is pH2 proceed pH1. Actually it is from Z scheme, where pH2 P680, then pheophytine QA QB cytochrome B6A PC P700, then P700 excited to form A0A1 FES FD, and last in the step it will produce NAD2 NADH. So answer will be pH2 to proceed pH1. Now next question. The category of air quality is considered to be moderate pollution when the exceedance factor is what is exceedance factor? Exceedance factor, in order to evaluate the pollution intensity and air quality status, exceedance factor method given by the CPCB, that is Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. This actually given this exceedance factor to measure the pollution intensity and air quality, and according to them there is a value EF, that is exceedance factor EF, exceedance factor is above 1.5, is if the above 1.5, exceedance factor above 1.5, critical pollution CT, that is critically polluted, CT, critically polluted CP. If the exceedance factor EF value, exceedance factor value in between 1 to 1.5, 1 to 1.5, the exceedance factor value 1 to 1.5, this will be high pollution. Indication is high pollution. High pollution. And now moderate pollution EF value, for moderate pollution exceedance factor value, EF value koto? EF value in between 0.5 to 1. Exceedance factor is 0.5 to 1. 1.0 means 1. So moderately polluted. EF value below 0.5, EF value below 0.5, it will be EF value below 0.5, it will be low pollution level, right? So answer will be of moderate pollution, it is 0.5 to 1. 0.5 to 1 indicate moderately polluted. Now, which of the following, next question, which of the following microorganisms are important in biological nitrogen fixation and nodulation in roots? Which of the microorganism is nodulation in roots? Question number 7, it will be option D, that is A and D, Rhizobium and Frankia. Rhizobium and Frankia, these are following microorganisms involved in nitrogen fixation. So answer will be A and D. Now, question number 8. A species considered to be endemic, if found in only a single geographical area and nowhere else, the species remain alive in human control condition, it is found only in small population, species have low rate of population increase. Now endemic, we consider endemic if we found in a particular area only. Endemic is found only in the single geographical area, nowhere else. And this is the also one of the important property of biological hotspot. Biological hotspot found only in a single geographical area, nowhere else. So answer will be option A, that is the correct answer. So from here, next video we'll discuss from question number 9. So hope this make helpful. Thank you.